Take 1 cup of chana dal. Add water and soak this for 30 minutes. Take soaked chana dal. Add 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, 2 to 3 pieces of ginger, 2 to 3 red chilli, 1 teaspoon of salt. Now blend this halfly. Grease oil to tawa. Place this mixture and spread this evenly throughout the tawa. Grease oil over this. Now cook both the sides for 5 minutes. Now take cooked dal and break this into small pieces and crush it out. Now take a pan, add 3 tablespoons of oil, 2 to 3 pieces of cinnamon, cloves, bay leaves, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds. Add 1 cup of finely chopped onion. Fry this for 2 minutes. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, curry leaves, one tablespoon of chilli powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, pinch of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of salt. Now mix it well. Add 1 cup of finely chopped tomato. Saute this for 2 minutes. Add 2 to 3 cups of water. Stir this and boil it for 5 minutes. After water boils, add cooked chana dal, half cup of coriander leaves, stir it for 5 minutes in medium flame till the gravy becomes thicker. Now the dish is ready to serve with dosa, idli and puri. For more videos, like, share and subscribe our channel.